Hi guys! Today I'd like to talk about home microneedling with a Derma roller. It has become popular in skin routines for its awesome benefits. The Derma roller I use has 540 microneedles, measuring 0.2 millimeters in size. It's so easy to use at home, which is why lots of people are into it for giving their skin a boost without leaving the house. When done correctly, it kickstarts the skin's natural healing processes, leading to a lot of benefits. This cool technique is famous for making more collagen, smoothing out skin, fading scars, fine lines, and wrinkles, and helping your skin soak up skincare products better. Is that true? I started using the Derma roller about 3 months ago. I didn't use it frequently as instructed. I only use it 1 or 2 times a week, allowing my skin gradually adjust to the microneedles. What I've seen so far is that this patch of pigmentation near my eye has lightened up. And in the first couple weeks, my face peeled a bit, making my skin a tad lighter. Other than that, I haven't noticed much yet. I'm planning to wrap up how often I use it, and I will keep you posted on how it goes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for updates. Now, let me show you how I use Derma roller at home, doing the whole process from my face down to my neck. Before I begin, it's important to emphasize 2 key points for using the Derma roller. First, apply moderate pressure, and second, roll the microneedles in the crisscross patterns. Start off by soaking the Derma roller in 70% alcohol to clean it up. They suggest using the same alcohol to sanitize the face, but honestly, I'd say skip that step. Just make sure your face and neck are cleaned well, because alcohol can make your skin more sensitive, so it's better to give it a pass. Next, apply some serum or hydrating toner to keep your skin moisturized. I went with a vitamin C serum. Skip the cream because it can clog your pores. Let's begin with forehead. Roll from left to right once. This counts as 1 pass. Repeat the same motion 3 to 4 passes. Then do vertical and crisscross patterns 3 to 4 times for each direction. Move down to eyebrows. Do horizontally about 10 times, then vertically and crisscross 3 to 4 passes for each direction. Now, let's move down to under the eyes. Do horizontally about 10 times, then vertically and in the crisscross 3 to 4 passes for each direction. I have some pigmentation around my eyes, so for this area, I will do more passes. It's time to move to face. We do right side first. Do horizontally, vertically, and crisscross 3 to 4 passes for each direction. And then do the left side. Let's keep moving down. I normally do the chin and lips together. Make it easier. The same way, 3 to 4 passes for each direction. By now, we've almost finished all microneedling on the face. Since I didn't do it too intensively towards the end, I will give some extra attention to rolling around my pigmentation. Lastly, make sure not to skip microneedling your neck. The skin there is more prone to wrinkles compared to our face, so it's crucial to give a special attention. Start with the right side and then move to the left, following the same pattern as we did on face. It's done. Once we finish the home microneedling, I only use serum or hydrating toner instead of cream. And I feel a bit tingling on my face, but there is no pain or redness. Oh, one more thing. Different needle lengths have different functions and suit different skin types. I choose the shortest one. Alright, that wraps it up for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you soon.